Hi everyone, I'm Ed Westwick and welcome to my home. I'm going to be showing you and talking a little bit about the wonderful new installation we've had done in our garden on the property with the wonderful people at Brett Landscaping. So we got this property back in 2023 and we went straight into a full renovation. It was a whole situation. It needed a lot of love, and after doing the inside and making all of those decisions, it was time to switch our focus to the outside, and more specifically a back patio space that we could enjoy throughout long summer days, and maybe in the winter time as well, pop outside and enjoy a bit of the rain. So we scoured the internet and social media and we looked for the right thing, and we came across Brett, and we looked at what they had available, and the Riven sandstone in fossil mint was something that we absolutely fell in love with. It offered this whole kind of natural feel to things. We wanted something that was a little bit warmer, right? Because in England, as we all know, it's pretty grey and cloudy and, dare I say, miserable at times. So we needed something to make us feel a little bit warmer. So we needed to get to work and get this new vibe going, and we did that, and we're so happy. So we're going to show you a little bit of that. My perfect summer's day in my garden definitely starts with sunshine. You know, that is a prerequisite. When it's beautiful in this country, it is stunning, and it would probably start with some sort of family occasion. So whether or not that's a simple thing like a lunch together or brunch or some afternoon tea and a cake. I mean, we all love a cake, right? So probably involve some sort of gathering around that. Just being together and enjoying the wonderful space outside. You know, this is our sanctuary, and we were definitely, when we were looking for a property, home together, that's what we wanted to have. You know, we have crazy lives, busy lives, and we wanted to know that we had this space that we could come back to that was quiet. It was our retreat and offered some peace and serenity, and you know, it does do that 90% of the time if you ignore my dog Humphrey, who is mental and just ball obsessed and won't leave you alone. But that's what we wanted, and that would probably be my perfect day. So for us, with the Riven Sandstone Fossil Mint, some of the things we love about it are the warmth we spoke about, right? This color that kind of makes us just feel a little bit classical, a little bit, dare I say, kind of more European as well. You know, we travel around so much and see kind of this classic architecture in places like Rome and in other places in Italy, which is where we got married. And I don't know, I know it sounds funny because we're in England, but it kind of reminds us a little bit of our travels, but we bring a little bit of that home. It's obviously a natural stone, which is, from what I've learned, very hard wearing, and it's quite an investment because, you know, these things, they're not cheap to do. And you want something that's going to last, and you want something that's going to be strong and kind of take whatever, whether it be the weather, whether it be people running around on it or dogs or whatever, you know. So all of these things were very important to us when we were trying to identify what product would be right for us, and also something that went with the house and the style of the house in general. It's quite a traditional style house, and we wanted something that tied into that, but at the same time elevated the space. So I think we did it. I'm very happy.